Hey folks, Thack with AOK Urban Homestead, and I'm here with
Carl Pope.
Drive Thru. I met him on the AT. I'll put some videos during this video of what you guys should be clicking on so you guys can see us hiking on the AT. I don't know if Carl's in any of the videos, but it was a very beautiful hike.
It was
Yeah.
a very nice hike.
Yep.
Very
Anyways,
long.
we are gonna, well, sit here because you guys already know by the title, we're doing some turkey hunting. There's our decoy. Turned out to be a nice day. It's a Jake. Yep, he confirmed it.
That smaller one's got those good Miriam colors. It looks like the white.
You should really see the white tip of his tails. Yeah, it's really white. Oh shoot, yeah, I see his fan, Yep, got him. Oh my goodness gracious.
He's going the wrong way.
Come here, big boy. He's got a dark color to him.
Looks like a Miriam.
Come back, come on, buddy. Oh, he's turning around. He went down the hill. Oh. Oh, wow, look at that fan. He's coming our way now. Oh, my goodness gracious. Is he going the other way?
Yeah, he's going that way. Let that know.
And there they go.
99 boys. Sleep tight.
We'll see you in the morning. We hope. Yeah, he stopped and let the big guy go first.
Yep.
Well, folks, day one is done. We saw 17 birds total, a couple deer. But yeah, we didn't get it, but we have a couple more days to go. Alright folks, so it's first light. We're getting there. We're nestled in the woods instead of in the blind. We got gobbles going on all around us. I don't think you guys can hear it since I have the mic on. Alright folks, so we have two coming from the north and two coming from the east. The ones coming from the east are coming a lot hotter than the ones from the north. So hopefully we're gonna get some action. We also have a hen calling them from our west side. So hopefully they'll merge. Alright, so we have the shooter sitting there. And right behind him, I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's calling. Now we're gonna pan to the right. Right through there is our decoys. Alright guys, so we have one coming in from over on our east side. He's coming in slow though, so he's coming in pretty cautious. Right now he's about 65 yards out. He's in full strut. I can't see him, but the guys can see him. Okay, so his tail feathers to the left right now. Slowly making it to the right. Hopefully we'll catch him. There he is. there's this fan. Yes, he's in full fan. There it comes away. Can't get my phone to focus. She's coming to me. There he comes. Oh yeah, bird down. Oh my my.
I'm so happy for you. I wanted to work out so bad. Oh my god.
Well folks, we just took some pictures and we're done for the day.
Get all my snacky snacks out.
Get them.
No, shot just right at 7:57, I think.
Look at that beard. Yeah. What did we measure? 9 3/4.
I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not quite 10.
It's a little muddy.
Well, folks, we are back home, and I want to thank each and every single one of you for watching. But I also wanted to give you a little backstory of why this hunt was special for me. As some of you know, some of you may not if you're new to the channel, I hiked a section of the Appalachian Trail last year to raise money for diabetes. And I actually met Carl. His trail name was Drive Thru, and his wife's trail name was Frosty. Anyways, I met them on trail. I had a blister, and Carl gave me some suggestions, and it really helped me out. And then I had an injury, and I had to actually hole up at a hostel, and then I went to the next hostel, and they came in because of a storm, and then we just got to talking and everything, and then I'm glad we formed a friendship. And I told Carl, who has the goal of 49 birds in 49 different states, and I said, well, if you ever want to hunt Iowa, I'm going to hook you up. Well, we've kept in touch. A year later, here he is, and I am so thrilled that he got that bird. And then one more thing, guys, before I let you go. I want to thank my friend YoYo, who sent me that microphone, which I used while out there, which made everything a lot easier to whisper into the microphone and be able to talk to you guys during the hunt. All right. Thank you again, Yo-Yo. Thank you, Carl, for coming up. Thank you, Pat, for helping guide everything. Folks, thanks for watching. If you're new, I hope you guys subscribe if you like what we're doing. And, hey, leave us a comment and let us know how we are doing. Until next time, stay blessed and be A-OK.